Books with Blue.
Today we are reading Rudolph Saves the Day. Welcome to the North Pole. In a special place called Christmas Town lives Santa Claus, Mrs. Claus, the elves, and the reindeer. One day, a reindeer named Rudolph was born. Right away, his tiny red nose began to glow. Rudolph's parents were surprised. So was Santa. Rudolph's father wanted Rudolph to be on the sleigh team, so he hid Rudolph's shining red nose. Rudolph didn't like his nose being covered. It looked funny. Not long after, a young doe named Clarice told Rudolph he was cute. When Rudolph heard that, he was so happy. He flew right into the air. But then his nose cover fell off. The other reindeer laughed and teased. They wouldn't let Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Rudolph felt like a misfit. Soon, Rudolph met another misfit, Hermie, the elf. Elves were supposed to make toys, but Hermie wanted to be a dentist. Hermie was different, just like Rudolph. They decided to run away together. Along the way, they met another friend, Yukon Cornelius. But soon they were being chased by the abominable snow monster. Even from far away, the monster could see Rudolph's bright red nose. Rudolph didn't want to put his friends in danger, so he bravely set out on his own. But the abominable snow monster chased him everywhere. Rudolph decided to go home. When he arrived home, a big storm was on the way, and his parents and Clarice were gone. Rudolph knew just where to look for his family. Sure enough, he found them in the cave of the abominable snow monster. Meanwhile, Hermie and Yukon had also been looking for Rudolph. They found him just in time to help. While Hermie distracted the monster, Yukon knocked him out with a big rock. Hermie removed all of the monster's teeth. Finally, he got to be a dentist. Without his teeth, the abominable snow monster became friendly. He even placed the star on top of the Christmas tree. Everyone cheered. But that night, the storm got so bad that Santa said they would have to cancel Christmas until he had an idea. "Rudolph," said Santa, "with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?" With Rudolph and his bright nose in the lead, Christmas was saved. And Rudolph went down in history as the greatest reindeer ever.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
Thank you for reading with me. Come back soon.